So first you'll need the eBrain, and you'll need to make sure that you turn it on. You'll also need one wire. Excellent. So let's open up Snap and make sure that you're connected either directly to the eBrain with the Robot in a Can network, or like me, you can connect through your home router. So I'm going to take our cable and I'm going to connect it to GPIO pin number 4. That's 4 pins from the top. And the other side of the cable I will connect to the red light. So that's the R on the instrument panel. So pin number 4 to the R connected with a cable. Now we'll go back to Snap. Open up the eBrain section in the palette, and we'll use that first block, which is the pin number, and we'll choose pin number 4 and GPIO on. And when I click on that block, look at that. The LED turns on because it sends power through pin number 4. Now let's turn pin number 4 off. So I'm going to choose pin number 4, but this time I'm going to choose GPIO off. And when I click on that, the light turns off. So check this out. I can turn the light on and off by clicking these different blocks. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to look for a wait statement, and I'm going to wait after I turn the pin on, and I'm going to wait another second after I turn the pin off. And I'm going to make it so that when I press the spacebar key, it does that. I'm also going to turn stepping on so you can visually see the steps. So you saw that it turned on, it waited a second, and then turned off and waited another second. I'm going to wrap this code in a forever loop so that we get our blink code, and I'm going to keep stepping on so we can see it step through. So you'll notice it does the GPIO on and off almost instantaneously, and then waits on the wait statements. So it turns on, waits a second, turns off, and waits a second, and that's our blink code. Excellent.